Hey, where are you going? We gotta check the mine.
Lena Norsko said it's true. This place got wiped out.
Katie, come in. Kate.
Yeah, sure looks like they fought them hard in here. But there's no bodies.
Yeah. Let's get this open.
You know, I thought we knew where all the outsiders were, but we missed a lot in the roundup. How?
Outsiders don't want to be found. Especially by the cog.
It's better we find them than the swarm.
Here we go. Shit. As expected, but... shit.
I can't believe Lena and Norsko survived this.
Let's just look around and see if we can find any explosives. Give me a hand, please. Down! Snatcher! Let's take it down! I need help here!
Coming your way! You gotta help me up! Leave me out! I'm bleeding out! Bell got run pretty good.
take it down!
Need some help, ASAP!
They've got down!
Wounded! Get over here! Get me up! Frag out! Knock it off!
Okay, mine's clear. Let's keep searching.
Kate, I'm pretty sure that big drill ran on phosphorus fuel.
Okay, so...
So, when you expose phosphorus to oxygen and water, it ignites. And that could solve our ice problem.
Then let's take what's left. Jack, do the honors.
Oh, let's go melt some ice, shall we?
We're not out of this yet!
Jack, protect that fuel! If it goes, we all go with it!
Excuse me? We're not out of this yet!
Jack, protect that fuel! If it goes, we all go with it!
Excuse me? Damn it! I need some help!
Hang on, I'll be right back!
Oh, come on! It's not too much farther!
Oh yeah? Well, you might want to tell them that!
Come on, help me! Come on, Jack, move it! All right, let's get this shit to the skiff and call Marcus.
I'm telling you, this shit is gonna melt that ice.
If you say so. Del, we got more!
We fight our way across that bridge then! Knock it off!
Kidding me? We got a Scion!
Come on!
Damn it! I need help here! All right, let's get this shit to the skiff and call Marcus.
I'm telling you, this shit is gonna melt that ice.
If you say so. Del, we got more!
We fight our way across that bridge then!
Del, keep going! We're almost there! We got a Scion!
Come on!
You're dead!
Zion's down! Let's head through that train and get out of here.
Hang on. Gonna check this out. Well, coming to this place was certainly a life experience.
Feels like we're racking those up out here.
I keep thinking about those poor people back in that mine. What you said in the tunnel. You're right. We should have found them.
Yeah, but you were right too. You can't help people who don't want to be helped.
Like JD, for instance.
Ooh. Yeah, like JD. You think he'll ever be himself again?
I don't know. I hope so, but I don't know. Come on, up here. Skiff's back this way. Jack, you good hauling that phosphorus? Glad to hear it.
See? Growing on you, isn't it?
Jack's good people.
You just filled his small mechanical heart with joy.
Thanks for being here, by the way. If you weren't with me, this would be... It would be hard.
Wait, are you thanking me or Jack?
Jack? I'm sorry, wasn't that clear?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Marcus, we found phosphorus fuel. Dell thinks it'll get us through the ice.
No, Del knows it'll get us through the ice. Phosphorus. Be careful. Nasty stuff.
Yeah, that's the rumor. Delta out.
You know, that ice isn't going anywhere. We could scout around some more.
I'll take that under advisement.
Oh, man. Now you sound like Marcus.
No, this sounds like Marcus. I'll take that under advisement. See? Subtle difference.
Yeah, very subtle. Kate, one small detail. Once we get through that ice, getting back up might be tricky.
Then I guess we'll have to deal with that.
Solid observation.
All right, let's get this phosphorus cooking.
Wait, hold on.
What?
You said this stuff...
It's called phosphorus.
Fine, whatever. You said it feeds off oxygen and water.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're about to expose it to a ton of ice, which is...
Oxygen and water.
Yeah.
Huh. It'll be fine.
What are you basing that on?
Thermodynamics. Reaction kinetics.
Somebody want to let me know when this chemistry class is over?
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Come on.
Great. Safety first.
Ha! Told you. All right, no.
We'll be fine, huh?
What? This
See? Fine.
Look, that must be the Kadar radio tower.
Means the lab's not far. Come on. Jack, good? You know you don't have to be honest.
Sooner or later, they'll know who you really are. You withhold the truth.
Why do sooner or later we know who you really are?
What are you resisting?
What you resisted is an attack which who do you think you are? What are you resisting? Is an attack.
They can't be destroyed.
Del, help me.
You're nearly there, child.
Have you lost control?
Stop fighting. Something may cease. Freedom no longer. You're one of us.
Mira! Get out of my head!
Hey.
It's nothing.
Well, good. Because we found it. Come on, we just need to figure out how to get inside.
Ah, shit.
We're not getting in there. Not with those turrets in place.
Generator here.
Shock trapper fried, I think.
Found the other one.
I'll tell you one thing. A bunch of renegade scientists didn't build this alone.
What the?
Bodies. Probably executed. What the hell are we walking into here? Come on, let's get inside that lab. Sounds like that did the trick. Shit. We didn't get all of them.
Gotta be another generator somewhere.
All right. That did it. Now you ready to get some answers?
More than ready.
Okay. Ow! That stuck me.
You're this upset? About a pinprick?
I have sensitive hands.
Proper identification is required for entry. Your entry has been denied. Good day.
What?
Niles? Is that you?
Proper identification is required for entry.
Proper identification.
Hey, you can give it a shot, but it's gonna hurt more than you think.
Entry granted.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
If you would, follow me.
Care to explain that welcome home?
Do you really require an explanation?
I think I like the gibberish spouting Niles more than this cryptic garbage can.
I see you've met my vastly inferior construct at New Hope.
What the hell? It's freezing in here.
Goodness. Apparently, some of our cryojets are malfunctioning. There must be a fault in our system.
You don't say.
Of course, we cannot proceed until those cryojets are disabled. Would you mind terribly?
Miserable little garbage can, mother.
Cryojets are probably powered like the turrets. Let's find a generator. All right, that did it.
Well then, let's get back to that garbage can.
Well done.
Yeah, Jack's good.
I've been meaning to reset those cryojets for quite some time.
Niles, really looking forward to you explaining this.
Oh, nothing but the remains of an old industrial accident.
No, these tanks. Same as the ones at New Hope.
Yeah, I noticed.
Ah, yes. My work there began as an effort to cure children ill with rust lung, but it grew into something far more significant. The COG wanted medicine. I gave them gods. Oh well, water under the bridge. Please, this way.
So after the COG shut you down, why come all the way out here?
Our family needed a place to continue our work in solitude.
No way your family built this house.
I am quite certain you lack the necessary clearances for that information.
What the hell?
The path to every breakthrough is paved with failure. Here are some of our more unstable specimens.
This breakthrough of yours, how did you manage it?
One of the miner's children, as it happens. She was resistant to aging, disease. We raised her as our own. You may find this especially interesting.
What is it?
That is one of our first successful hybrids.
Hybrid? You mean a locust?
One and the same. In our previous facility, we had problems with genetic stability. The sires were distempered and sterile, a problem for obvious reasons. But the Locust were different. Highly controllable, the perfect soldiers, and blessedly able to reproduce.
What made them different?
Their cells. You see, the emulsion miner's children provided a marvelous genetic repository, as did the indigenous creatures of the Hollow.
In all of your genetic research, it's in here?
Of course.
Oh shit. Hey, Jack, come here! I need you to download everything off this terminal. Oh man. I don't think I want to know what any of these file names mean.
But when the extent of one very special child's genetic immunity to emulsion became clear, our work began to soar. Please, go ahead. That, of course, is Mira, or as you know her, Queen Mira.
You bred her with the sires?
Nothing so monstrous. Her stem cells, however, were delightfully complementary to sire DNA. But we underestimated so much. Young Mira's strong maternal feelings, for instance.
Let me guess. She led her children to slaughter you all.
No. Well, yes. But I meant her more traditional maternal feelings. For her daughter. Little Raina. Your mother.
What? You're lying.
I am not. Your mother was born here, and taken from us by her spineless father, thus causing young Mira's unfortunate rebellion.
Why are you telling me this?
You have so many gifts you do not yet understand.
Hey, what's going on?
He will kill you if he knows. They all will.
What did you just say? Hey, what are you...
Why did you come here with me? What did JD tell you?
Kate, I am not gonna hurt you.
No? Maybe you should. Or maybe I should.
Hey,
That would indeed sever the link between you and the Locust.
now shut up!
I won't let them do to me what they did to my mother.
Your mother? And what did they do to your mother?
In the hive, they changed her. It killed her. I killed her.
But that is the process that allows them to learn, to grow. Without a queen, they remain unguided.
See? I'm a weapon.
No. You're not.
Back in the village, when I was inside that snatcher, I was controlling them.
What?
I think I killed Oscar.
Wait a minute. You think, or you did?
I don't know. I don't know. I want it out of my head. I want it to stop.
Okay.
And you're gonna stop it.
And if I do not?
Then we delete you and destroy every bit of your precious research.
Then please, allow me to assist you.
And we're supposed to just trust your good word here?
You are free to trust or not trust whomever you like. But tell me something. Your mother and the Hive. Did she resist?
Of course she did.
So I feared. Young Mira needed no such crude incorporation.
Niles, tell me something. My grandfather, who was he?
One of my best geneticists. He fled with little Reyna because he no longer believed in our work.
Did Mira know where he took her?
I told Mira Reyna had perished in the escape attempt. I assumed that would end the matter. I greatly miscalculated, but it appears we have another malfunction. Perhaps you could address it?
Right.
Ah, he's done it. Your little friend is quite handy.
Hey, watch it, Dodge Kid. Jack spoken.
Well, you do make a lovely couple. Would you please follow me? Almost there now.
I'm curious. How does it feel to have your life's work turn on you?
I choose to view it differently. The Locust longed for independence. Mira showed them the way. I have always been proud of your grandmother. I still am.
What the hell is that thing?
The matriarch was generated from your grandmother's stem cells and sire DNA. She amplified Mira's ability to communicate with the This device is where Mira first learned to control her power, but we can also use it to sever your leg, if you choose.
So how does it work?
By mildly damaging your brain.
What? By mildly damaging her brain?
Her connection to the Locust is based on a genetic algorithm inside her temporal lobe. Altering that requires anesthesia, you could say.
Sounds like a lobotomy.
A lobotomy is highly invasive. This is directed. While I work, the matriarch will guide your mind, undetected, to where it must go.
Okay, all right. No. You are not doing this. I do not trust this can.
Then watch him. But I have to do this. I'm losing control. I won't hurt anyone else, understood?
Understood.
I will make this as painless as possible.
Yeah, you better.
She okay?
She is fine. Patience.
Kate, I'm here. I'm here.
Mom?
Hey, Niles? Niles? Where you going? Niles! Stop! Shit! Jack, get over here, shut this down! Get up! Kate! Kate! Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, but...
Okay, come on, we can talk about it later.
No, listen. He used me. My mother... she's alive.
What?
I mean, it wasn't really her, except it was... Where is he?
Emergency shutdown in effect.
Come on. He went this way. Come on.